Hey, what's up, you guys? So if you saw the last video, you guys know that I was originally spraying, and Danny told me that they needed me to haul with the little truck here, so I'm about to head to the field and see what's going on out there and get a load and get it back here to the shop. Of course, you guys know I can't show y'all the twin turbos under the hood yet, so let me check those out and then I'll check back in. All right, they looking good under there. They looking good under there, you guys. Woo! Power! Man, the morning glories they trying to start growing out there in the corn, you guys. Wowee. Dan got everything loaded up. We don't have our extra help today, JD and his other truck driver, so things are a little backed up, so it seems. I ain't gonna be very much help with this little truck. Grain cart full, freight liner full. Got the backhoe and the 78 over there. I'm going to park a little bit in the shade here. Woo, I'm tell you what, it's hot, you guys, already. It is already hot, you guys. Is there a tree up there? You good? Oh, man. Uh-oh, here comes the corn husk. Oh no! Looks like it's snowing out there, you guys. It's snowing in the middle of, what's this, August? We're about the end of August now. Right? That's right, Husk. Blow off of the windshield so we can see. Thank you. Oh man, do you guys remember the fun that comes with the first load? Ah, what is this? Looks like Danny got a TP over over the shovel. I guess that's some bad corn there, because I know he wouldn't leave it out. Oh yeah, it's got dirt in it. And it looks like my little spot where my wheels go got filled up with dirt. I'm gonna go dump this in the woods over here. This thing got some weight to it. Got that fan going nice and loud. Gotta get this auger that Danny uses with the hopper bottom for the big truck moved out of the way. But first, we will remember to unplug this, and it came loose easy. And we also remember that we need to get a running start to get this joker out of the hole that, or is it in the hole? It don't look like it's in much of a hole this time. Let's see. I'm gonna jerk you, okay? Are you ready? I'm gonna jerk you. Okay, let's go. Oh no! Come on, get out of there. Okay, horsepower. I gotta get my twin terp skis working. All right, get that out of the way. Let's put that up there and get the strap off of here. Oh, I'm getting hot already. I'm getting hot already, you guys. Well, that's got a little bit of moisture on it, I guess, from the rain that we got. A lot of the times there like to be little mice running around here, but the cats, it's a good thing we got cats, because the cats, so to keep them dwindled down. Get that uncovered, get this unstrapped, and get that unraveled. Put that there. Woo, look at all them husks. I'm gonna pull that out of there because that's gonna be in my way. Okay. So let's get this wood moved. I guess I'll put it about right there maybe. Let's try and get backed up to it, you guys. All right, let's see. I gotta look at the tires on the auger, try and get them lined up in my mirror. I bet I'll be off the first time. Did I go over the wood already? I think I did. Wait a minute, did I? No, not yet. Looks like I'm way off too. Looks like I'm off a good bit. Let me pull up some. Okay, now, I don't know, maybe he moved my wood and it's not quite in the right place. Before I lift the dump up, let's see. Oh, that won't be too bad. I forgot I was supposed to put some more tape on there. Let me lift the dump up. Got the PTO here. There we go. Let's see what that looks like. Oh yeah, that's good, you guys. That's good. Might be a little too much open. There we go. All right, you guys, let's get the moisture tester. As a matter of fact, let me go ahead and get this started. I want the load on, fans ready, burner ready, unload, turn the unload off. We don't want it to unload yet. And everything else should be good. So let's start it. Corn husk. I should have waited till I got the moisture tester. All right. I'll be making a lot of noise, don't I? I know. Now let's pour in the corn. Get that tested. All right, so that's 20.1. 20.1. Oh yeah. Now I need to turn on the spreader in the bin, in bin number 1. And I'll go ahead and turn on the elevator. Make sure that it's on. And we're gonna let this, oh no! Making a mess already. We're gonna let this drain down, you guys. Alrighty. That's gonna do it. I'm gonna have to put some tape on that thing for sure. Next go round. And I'm gonna go turn the unload on. And we're gonna put some tape on there before we head back to the field. So Danny just left the shop with the International hopper bottom. It's the International truck in the hopper bottom. And so I guess I ain't gotta rush too much right now, because he'll have to fill him up. I'll probably have to unload off of the grain cart when I get there. Maybe not. He might unload me straight off the combine. I guess it depends on how good it's picking. Maybe that'll help hold it, because it was just the top that was coming loose, not the bottom. Maybe that'll do, you guys. Yep, here we are, you guys. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Oh, Danny. He was asking me if the dryer started up all right. You know what? I'm gonna leave that on camera. Cause that was funny. I was gonna cut it out, but I'm gonna leave that on camera. That's gonna be a memorable moment. So I guess Dan he texted me and asked me how far behind Danny I was. I told him about 5 minutes, so I guess that's why he's waiting to load on me instead of me loading off the grain cart. Woo! So this is number 2. Load number 2, you guys. It must be picking fairly decent out there. Yeah. Do this. We look at it from the outside of it. I ain't got to be over there with the husk. Come over here, look at this corn. That's a decent size ear. Fairly decent. The sun is gonna put a glare on it from this way. I know there'll be a glare, but. And we are off again. You hear the corn hitting up against the side of the bin? That's what the spreader does. It evenly disperses it on the inside of the bin so that it's not just mounding up in the middle. Second time around ought to be smoother. It ought to be smoother. It's not a guarantee. Y'all know with me, anything is possible. Oh my goodness. All right, PTO up. Let's see what we got. That'll work. And we just repeat the same steps, you guys. Moisture tester. I ain't got to turn the dryer on again. .5. Man, that's almost a 3-point difference from last time. I need to raise the dump up. Let me raise the dump all the way up. There we go. Back to the field. All right, you guys, we're back. I'm pretty sure he'll put this one on this truck. And you know what? It was actually supposed to be a high percentage chance of rain this afternoon. I was about to say, I know it sucks having to wait on me to get back or somebody to get back with a truck, but hey, it could have been raining and we couldn't have been in the field picking. So I say that we're grateful that we're able to pick, even though not moving a whole bunch of corn right now. If I had known that he had to go back down, I would have got in and rolled with him, you guys. Here's what I'm gonna do though. I'm gonna run with the combine. I might get dirty and dust it up, but maybe I can run fast enough that I'll stay ahead of them. And if I trip on one of these stalks, it's gonna be y'all's fault. I'm looking at the grain bin on top of the combine, and he might mess around and get full before he get to the end. But we gonna see, we gonna see. Oh, I'm getting nervous, you guys. We about to run with the combine. Oh, he's not going that fast anyway. Oh yeah, I can keep up with this. I can keep up with that. I can keep up with that. The sun is making a glare though. Since I don't have a drone. I gotta make it exciting as possible since I can't get an aerial view. But I'm not gonna stay up here with these husks though, that's for sure. And we're out of here with load number 3. Come over here and check this. Woo! Never mind. Too much husk. I hear it though. right, I made it back, and I guess he's in the short rows. I think what he's doing, he's alternating, switching where he loads at. He'll load one load on the truck, and then he'll load one load on this truck. But he's back there in those short rows, so it's gonna take him a little bit longer to get filled up. And then too, he has to track all the way over there to dump in the what truck is that over there? The International. And he's coming to unload. I'm sitting in the truck. I'm not even gonna get out this time, you guys. We'll watch from my seat. Oh, what is this flying in front of us? Yeah, I lied, I know. Anyway, this is load number 4. We're about to be off. Oh, we made a mess there, you guys. You guys, you won't believe it, but I used to be such a workout fiend. I would be out here doing pull-ups right here. Let's see if we can do a few pull-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just a few, just a few. I would be working out while at work, just in case I couldn't work out when I got home because I was too tired. I would be working out at work. Oh, you guys don't believe me, huh? Wait a minute, let me show you. I'm telling you, I would be at work working out. Look at this. This stuff been under here for a minute. Got the elastic bands, got some little 15-pound dumbbells. Nothing heavy, just enough to get a little pump. That's how serious I used to be about working out. Nowadays, oh my goodness, you guys, I done got so lazy. I got to do better. I got to do better, you guys. I guess though, I got an excuse because y'all know it takes forever for my videos to upload when I get off work. By the time I do that and everything else I got to do, it's like I don't even have time to work out no more. Shame, shame, shame. Alrighty, you guys, we're back. We are back. And Danny hasn't made it back yet. He's been hauling straight to the mill, to the grain mill. Y'all remember this? This is the field I was bush hogging in, and there was a tree that fell down at the end of all of these rows. Oh, I gotta remember that there's a little trench over there. Gotta take it easy across that thing. Dan in his trenches. Yeah. Boom, boom. Let's see if we can get under there right. Okay, I know. My bad. I do better when I'm in the tractor. That's my excuse. And we are off with load number 5. Ooh, husk. Yeah, he got that grain cart all the way full. Oh man, they're getting in my eyeballs, you guys. I think some people call it, do they call it bumblebees or something? I forgot. I heard somebody call it corn or something else. What is it? Bumblebee? I don't know. Something. I'm pretty sure one of you guys know. form. Perfect form. Let's go. What number are we on? I lost count. We'll say that's number 5. That's number 5. That's number 7. That's number 8. That's number 9. Number 10. Ha! Well, I was gonna do an exercise with the elastic bands, but that broke. I have to tie another knot. It might be dry rotted all the way through. I don't know. I have to tie another knot in it. It had one in it before because it had broke before. So let's see. If I tie a knot in it, it won't pull all the way through. And then maybe, just maybe, we can still use it. Let's see. Let's try this again. Ha! Ha! Here we go. Ha! 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's enough. That's enough for now. Let's keep an eye on this cord. Load number 5, 17.6. I forgot to mention I had met Danny when I was leaving out the last time, so he made it back with the Freightliner truck. And I see Dan just dumped on there. That's probably his second dump, being that Danny had just got back. Yeah, okay, he want me to get that off the grain cart. I figured that. Oh, wait a minute, it must have been wet right there in that hole. So I'm gonna get this off of the grain cart, you guys. See, I'll park about right here. We're gonna get it loaded. I can get in some AC. I can get in some AC, you guys. Oh goodness. Oh, it's an oven in there. Whoa, wow, man. It's, ooh. Yeah, it's always like that when you get in a tractor that's been sitting in the sun for a long time. Man. Wow, I'm gonna leave that open for a second while that thing loads. All right, yeah. Let's get the auger folded out. Look at these nice and dirty windows, you guys. Already. Let's see if we can get it loaded right the first time. That auger sticks a good ways out there and then it spits it out. I said that before, I know. Let's get the PTO turned on and open up the gate. Oh yeah, Dan fixed this seat too. He said it was something with the control in the armrest that lets it up. Some kind of holes in there or something. He said that the John Deere store had a whole bunch of them, so I guess it was something that frequently goes wrong with a lot of the tractors. Na. What gear am I in? Let me put it in first gear so I can creep along there. First gear is too fast too. Truck ain't but so long. better start slowing the motor down when it gets to this point. Slow the motor down, pull up, and let me go ahead and close the gate so it can clean out. Uh-oh, uh-oh, oh man. Oh man, I'm making a mess. I'm making a mess. See, I was trying to get that little bit out of there. I didn't want to turn it off while it was still cleaning out, but I made a mess. I made a mess, you guys. Oh boy. Okay. Didn't spill too much. Wasn't too much. Let me let the auger down so that we don't run into no trees. Definitely don't want to do that. I'm gonna put a grain cart over here though, so that if he needs to load on it, it'll be over here, and we're over here anyway. So let's see. I guess, yeah, it was wet right there. It was hiding under the cut grass. Oh yeah, this corn over here that's pretty tall there. All right, we'll leave it here. He's about to be full already. What he made, probably about a round or so. Must be picking good over there. We go head on back to the truck. Let's see. We could use a few muscles and climb up here and push that over to the side there. Like I said, it didn't spill too much. There we go. That's good enough. Load number 6. You guys did that. It was you guys. I blame you. Tricep kickbacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. Let's go back here and check on it. It's still going. You guys, I need some fuel. Yeah, she's a bit thirsty. I ain't too sure if that joker started chugga-chugging because it was getting so low. Tip top full. Get on there! Get on there! Stop playing with me. There you go. Thank you. Cooperate. It's hot out here. I just dropped a great big old drop of sweat on the GoPro too. Oh yeah, that's more like it. All right, you guys, so we are back. This will be load number 7. And I'm coming on the inside of that trench, so I ain't gotta go across it. That's why we mowed the end rows to have space to turn around. And this Chevrolet truck, it turns good. Just like my old Tahoe, that joker, it turns sharp. That 2001 Tahoe, yeah Lord. I'm gonna park right here and let him pull up to me so he can get where he wants to get to. How about that? We'll do that. I know I always gotta look in there for a little bit anyway. I tell you what, that water sure enough is good right now, you guys. That'll do it for load number 7. You guys, talk about working out. Man, about 2 days ago, I did about 200 mountain climbers and 200 crunches, and I hadn't done that. It's been at least a year since I've done that kind of workout. And my legs in my thigh area, I'm feeling it today. Since I'm getting in and out of that truck and using that clutch to shift gears, oh man, my legs, I got out of the truck, almost fell down to the ground. Oh boy. So I ain't doing no pull-ups and no curls and no tricep kickbacks this time. I'm taking it easy. It's about 650 right now. All right, you guys, so I'm coming down here, gonna clean up. That was the last load. We got 7 loads. I didn't even start till like about 3:20 and got 7 loads. And it's about 7 right now. So I'm about to clean up right here. And of course, I'm gonna wrap the video on up, just like I'm wrapping up the canvases. Real quick, since I've been working out so much today, just want to encourage some of you guys. I thought about the scripture. It's in, I think it's in 1 Corinthians somewhere. It says that our body, talking about the believer, our body is the temple of the Holy Ghost. The Holy Spirit lives in us. Therefore, we should take care of our bodies. Now, I'm guilty. Y'all heard me. I confess, I'm guilty. I hadn't been working out like I normally do. And the other thing is, we need to eat right as well. Why do we need to do these things? Because we want to live a long life. We want to try and be healthy and have a long life so that we can declare the works of the Lord. If our bodies aren't healthy, we can't do what we need to do for the Lord because of sickness. We don't want to be sick and out of shape, things of that nature. So hey, I encourage you. And of course, I know a lot of people be making New Year's resolutions. Y'all know how that falls through. The next day after New Year's, be done already, fell off. But this is a mid-year. You want to call it a mid-year resolution? Nah, this ain't no resolution. This is just encouragement. Yeah. Some of you been saying that you're gonna start working out or whatever. Get to it. Get to it. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. I know I can say it. It's easy to say, but it's harder to do. I know. But maybe you get a little bit of encouragement from watching me work out, and maybe I'll do better too with my working out. Like I said, man, I be trying to upload videos when I get off work. That take forever. It takes up all my time. And so I put that over there so that when I turn this on, it don't jump out of there. But I gotta take it off. try and get as much of it out of there as possible. No, don't make a mess. Yeah, so I'm not gonna continue to hold you any longer. I don't even know how long it's been. But hey, I appreciate you hanging out with me, seeing how things go around here. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. There'll be much more of it to come, you can believe that. Much more to come. Anyway, you guys stay blessed. You guys keep encouraged. And as always, we'll see you in the next one.